In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and pay bills in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enter a vendor bill and either schedule an online payment or record it as paid, so your books stay accurate and up to date. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Hover on More to reveal additional workflow options. This opens up a handy menu of shortcuts that keep you moving without digging through multiple pages. From there, click on Expenses and Bills. This takes you to the expenses overview, where you can see what's due and manage everything in one place. Next, click on Add Bills to start a new bill. This opens the bill form. First, choose the vendor. Selecting the correct vendor is important because it drives reporting, vendor balances, and future payment history. Now, select the term. The term determines how due dates are calculated and helps QuickBooks remind you before a bill is late. If this bill needs to be paid right away, click on Due on Receipt. Otherwise, pick the term your vendor uses, like Net 15 or Net 30, to keep due dates consistent. Add the bill date. This is the date shown on the vendor's document and is used, along with terms, to calculate the due date. Then add the due date itself. If it doesn't populate automatically, enter it manually to match the vendor's invoice. Scroll to the category details and add the category. Choose the expense account that best describes what you are paying for, such as utilities, supplies, or subcontractors. Getting this right helps your profit and loss statement stay meaningful. In the same row, add a clear description. Include enough detail to understand what the charge is for when you look back later. Finally, enter the amount. Make sure the number matches the vendor invoice, and double check whether any tax or shipping should be included based on your setup. When everything looks good, click on Save and Schedule Payment. This saves the bill to your books and opens up payment options so you can plan the outflow of cash. If you want QuickBooks to handle the payment electronically, click on Schedule Online Payment. You'll choose the payment account, confirm the payment date, and let QuickBooks send the funds for you on schedule. If the bill has already been paid outside of QuickBooks or you prefer to record a manual payment, click on Mark as Paid. This will record the payment against the bill so the vendor balance and your accounts stay correct. That's it. You've added the bill, reviewed its details, and finished by scheduling an online payment or marking it as paid.